The Radha Krishna temple in Lisbon is a place of worship, not only for the Hindu community from India and Portugal, but also people belonging to different religions and nationalities. Nearly 7,000 devotees visit the temple every year, including from schools, colleges, universities and government entities.
विशेष जो हमारे भारतीय हैं, जो मुख्यतः हैं भारत से, लेकिन उनके माता पिता इत्यादि सभी साउथ अफ्रीका के मोजाम्बिक में निवास करते थे। वहाँ पोर्चुगीज सोसाइटी थी। वहाँ से फिर वो सभी यहाँ पोर्चुगल में आए। पुर्तगाल में आने के बाद में उन लोगों को अपना सनातन जो है, यहाँ पे कोई बड़ा मंदिर नहीं था, छोटा भी मंदिर नहीं था। इन लोगों ने मंदिर बनाया और इतना अच्छा मंदिर बनाया। उसके बाद में सनातन परंपरा को इतना अच्छे से सिंचन करके रखा कि आज यहाँ के लोग जो भी यूरोपियन हैं वो आते हैं और वो आकर के यहीं पे रहना चाहते हैं कि नहीं हमको यहीं रहना है।
The Radha Krishna temple in North Lisbon was founded in 1998 and it has since helped in developing a strong Indian-Portuguese relationship. Prime Minister Narendra Modi came here in June 2017. In fact, people from all faiths and nationalities come here to worship and especially to celebrate Hindu festivals. The temple also runs classes and workshops in Indian classical dance forms as well as in Gujarati and Hindi language skills, among others. The temple is a result of many decades of efforts by the Hindu community in Portugal.
In 1987, they gave us a land over here, a piece of land here in the Passo da Lumiar, yeah, and where we made a dream project of doing this socio-cultural complex. In 1989, when the first foundation, the stone for the complex was laid in the presence of the mayor of Lisbon, we did the inauguration of this Radha Krishna temple in 1998, on 4th of November 1998, in the presence of the President Dr. George Sampaio.
Radhe Radhe Govind Gopal Radhe.
The temple aims to keep the values of Sanatan Dharma alive and awaken people to Hindu traditions while working as a microcosm of Indian culture. Such temples are a celebration of the deep religious and spiritual bond that Indians and Portuguese share.
Hum Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhin Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhana Mrityor Mukshiyamamritat.
Spirituality touches lives of people in different ways. Jose Bernardo is a Portuguese learning Hindi at the Center of Indian Studies in the University of Lisbon, the first of its kind in Portugal.
वह कंप्यूटर है.
For him, learning Hindi has become a means to connect with Indian culture.
I started getting into Indian spirituality like 2 years ago. I started reading about Adi Shankaracharya and some of the Swamis that got to America in the last century, like Swami Vivekananda, and I was so in love with the culture and in love with the Sanatana Dharma that I felt like I needed more. I need more substance, and learning Hindi for me, it's a way to connect not only with the culture.
Joanna Simões is learning Hindi at the same center. A Portuguese national, she explains why she took to learning Hindi.
मैं कथक डांसर हूँ और बहुत किताबें और गाने हिंदी में हैं. That's why in order to become a more proficient Kathak dancer, I decided that I needed a bit of theoretical background. So I decided to learn Hindi for that.
वे दोनों कौन हैं? वे दोनों लड़के भी हो सकते हैं, वे दोनों लड़कियां भी हो सकती हैं.
Their teacher is an Indian who came to Portugal in 2007 on a scholarship by the Portuguese government to learn Portuguese and went on to become a Hindi teacher at the center, where over 200
मैं और रमेश भारती हैं.
जोर से एक बार फिर। मैं
और रमेश भारती हैं।
इन देशों में आपको जो है कि बहुत से लोग हैं जिनकी अंग्रेजी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, तो अब मान लीजिए हिंदी सीखने के लिए उनको पहले अपनी अंग्रेजी अच्छी करनी पड़ेगी, फिर वो आके उन संसाधनों के जरिए फिर हिंदी सीख सकते हैं। इसलिए एक बहुत बड़ी ज़रूरत है कि संसाधन जो भी हैं पुर्तगाली में तैयार किए जाएं। और पिछले साल हमने जो है कि भारत सरकार और भारतीय दूतावास के सहयोग से पहले पुर्तगाली हिंदी पुर्तगाली शब्दकोश का जो है हमने यहाँ पे निर्माण किया, प्रकाशन किया है।
Hindi is an assertion of India's soft power the world over. The growing takers of Hindi in Portugal show the love and respect that India's national language garners overseas. Hindi has become a bridge that transcends geographical barriers and brings the people of India and Portugal closer culturally as well as spiritually.
I actually became curious about Indian dance in general. It started with Bollywood, which is in Portugal, and
Valli, a Portuguese, is a Bharatnatyam teacher in Lisbon.
Bharatanatyam, which is going inside the... Bharatanatyam is having such a beauty, first of all, naturally, but more than that, it is a spiritual way of the expression which is going inside the style. I loved, and also the lines, the geometry, the footwork.
The embrace of Bharatnatyam and Kathak dances in far-off Portugal manifest Indian culture's global character. Art and culture have always been a binding force between countries. They form the glue that connects the people of India and Portugal as well. Portuguese nationals are learning Indian traditional dance forms and folk dances. Some have embraced Bollywood too. These dance forms are part of a vibrant cultural bouquet that has the imprint of India on it in Portugal.